Good afternoon. You are welcome to Kiva's Tutors channel, YouTube channel, where we deal with maths, chemistry, physics, and other science-related subjects. In today's class, precisely, we'll be looking at JAMB and WAEC questions on organic chemistry. And of course, it will be a very good privilege for those of you offering or the writing JAMB for this year, because from our finding, we observed that majority of questions are coming from organic chemistry. And before us today, we'll be given a problem that we should determine the molar mass of the compound below. Here is the compound. Now, looking at this compound precisely or in detail, believe with me that this compound contains benzene with a carboxylic functional group. And of course, benzene has the molecular formula of C6H6. But in this case, one atom, permit me to redraw this. Benzene structure is drawn this way. There is hydrogen atom. There is hydrogen atom. There is hydrogen. There is hydrogen. There is hydrogen. There is hydrogen. Now this is benzene structure. But in this case, this hydrogen atom, one has been removed. It's now been replaced with a carboxylic group. So it's no longer C6H6. It's now C6H5. So this other one has been replaced with this functional group called carboxylic acid. So on that note, you now add your functional group called carboxylic acid here, where you have COOH. This is the general molecular formula of this, and this is called benzene carboxylic acid. Now, to go further to looking at the molar mass of this compound, what do? Bring out the general molecular formula of the compound, where you have molecular formula of the compound CH5 COOH. Now from here, looking at your bracket, atomic mass of carbon has been given. Multiply atomic mass of carbon by the subscript. Here we have 12 times 6, close the bracket, plus. Here we have 1 times 5, because atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. 1 times 5 plus carbon is 12 plus oxygen 16 plus oxygen 16 plus 1. Now at this point, 12 times 6 will give us, we have here 75. Okay, it will give us 72. Then plus we have here 1 times 5 is 5, plus here is 12. Then here 16 plus 16 will give us 32 plus 1, that is 33 plus 33. Then at this point you add 72 plus 5 will give us 77. Then you plus 12 with 33 will give us 45. Let's see, 12 and 33. Here is 5, here is 4. So here will give us 45. Then of course 77 plus 45 will give us 1, 2, 2. So the answer to this question is the molar mass of this compound, benzene carboxylic acid, is 112 grams per mole. 122 grams per mole. Thank you very much. For now, we stop here. In our subsequent videos, we shall unveil other JAMB related questions on this. If you like the channel, always subscribe, and of course advertise it to as many students that you know that are writing JAMB, in order for them to overcome the challenges in organic chemistry. Thank you.